Shoot, I forgot to do a git commit. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's just a comment. Yeah, I guess we can have that. Let's go back here. Global state for associations. Yeah. Let's see. Do I want, let's see, create association selected field, create an atom with the value and map the above keys. Keep track of the input field, the name goes to, so I'm basically, excuse me, basically gonna bring back this format. Oh, it's not gonna let me do that. Okay, fine. Let's go back here, put that comment there. Whoa. Is that? Okay, cool. So I guess I'll put two semicolons there. Yeah. So that'll be, I don't really need to say that in a comment. This comment makes sense. And so does this one. All right. So, yeah. Let's make a commit out of that. Clarify comment on app state atom. Okay. Point in rectangle. Is the point PXPY in the rectangle XYWH? So I'm guessing this is the point X and the point Y, and then this is the rectangle X, Y, and then width and height. If, okay, so I like usually doing less than. So let's put that like that. So we got less than X, PX, less than PX, this whole thing. Well, we can combine all of that to look like that. And then let me do the same thing for this. Do like that, move that over there, and then we see that we could combine that with that. Alrighty. So I think that's an improvement already. So we want to make sure that px is in between x and x plus w. It could be either equal to either of those. And then py is in between y and y plus h. Yeah, I think that's just a straight up improvement. Is px in between x plus x and x plus width, and is py between y and y plus height? That, yeah, I think that's pretty reasonable. Is px between x and x plus width, and py between y and y plus height? I think I said width a moment ago, but I don't think I need to do every single little part of that. I'll just do do it live. Got less than or equal to y py plus y, oh my gosh, width height. Alrighty, let's go to the web page. Click, clack. Is the content saved? Yes. Okay, cool. So we got that. That seems to be working reasonably. Okay. Can I do that? Okay, cool. That all seems to work. Okay. Let's go back here. Save that as a commit. Determine if point in rect with simplified logic. Okay. I think I'm pretty good there. Point-in-rect px x px py. Yeah. Let's do. Actually, I'll function point-in-rect takes px py and rect xy with height. Returns whether px is between x and x plus that, and py is between that. Cool. Go like that. Defin point in rect takes in px, py, xy with height, and says checks whether x is less than px, which is less than or equal to x plus height, no, width, did it again, and then do less than or equal to y, py, add y and height. Okay, let's go back to the web page, refresh, that works, okay. So we can determine whether the mouse point is inside of these various things, except for this one, which is rotated, this form rectangle. Alrighty, seems good. Yeah.